All right, we are going to take some time now to practice with a few sentences, thinking about where the commas would go after the introductory element. So the first sentence is, unless you have a ticket, you cannot watch the movie. So you need to think in that sentence, does this use a word, a phrase, or a clause? And where would you put the comma in this sentence? We're going to look at two more examples here. Another sentence is, naturally, Lewis chose to pursue a career in music. Again, where do you think the comma belongs after the introductory element? Is it a word, a phrase, or a clause? And the third example is, during the thunderstorm, my dog hid under my bed. Again, where does the comma belong in that sentence after the introductory element? I want you to go ahead and pause the video and mentally place those commas where you think they belong. And when you're ready, you can start the video again and we'll go over the answers. All right, welcome back. So for sentence number 1, you should have placed your comma after the word ticket. Unless you have a ticket is a phrase. Okay. In the second sentence, you should have placed the comma after naturally. There you just have a word that is introducing the sentence. And in the last one, your comma goes during the thunderstorm. That is a clause that is introducing the rest of your sentence. Let's look at 3 more examples together. In the spring, we will plant strawberries in the garden. Again, where do you think the comma belongs? Sentence number 2. According to the research, glaciers are retreating almost everywhere around the world. Again, where would you place the comma in that sentence? And in the third example, surprisingly, the sugar-free desserts were delicious. Where would you place the comma there? Again, go ahead and pause the video. Mentally place your commas where you think they would belong. And when you're ready, start the video again and we'll go over the answers. All right, welcome back. For the first sentence, you should have placed the comma after spring. In the spring. Okay, that is a clause introducing the rest of the sentence. In sentence number 2, you should have placed the comma after research. According to the research is a phrase that introduces the rest of the sentence. And in example number 3, you have the word surprisingly introducing the rest of the sentence. After watching this video on Google Classroom, there is a document that is a practice page for you to complete to continue to practice using commas and introductory elements in sentences.